Construction project management. The rumble of excavators, the clang of steel on steel, the symphony of hard hats bustling about. That's the music of construction, a melody of progress sung in concrete and stone. But behind this orchestrated chaos lies a hidden maestro, the construction project manager. Today, we dive into their world, exploring the best practices and challenges that make or break a building's journey from blueprint to breathtaking reality. Laying the foundation. Imagine erecting a skyscraper on shifting sand. A fool's errand, right? Well, the same goes for managing a construction project without a rock-solid plan. Every brick, beam, and bolt needs to be meticulously mapped out, from detailed blueprints to comprehensive timelines. This is where the project manager shines, defining scope, setting realistic budgets, and establishing clear communication channels with all stakeholders, from architects to electricians. Think of it as the blueprint for the blueprint, the invisible framework that keeps the project standing tall. Orchestrating the symphony. A construction site is a beehive of activity, with each worker a vital cog in the machine. The project manager, then, becomes the conductor, ensuring everyone is in sync. This means juggling skilled labor, material deliveries, and equipment schedules with the precision of a Swiss watch. Collaboration is key, fostering open communication between teams, resolving conflicts swiftly, and adapting to unforeseen changes like a jazz ensemble riffing on a new melody. Remember, a well-coordinated team is a productive team, and productivity is the fuel that propels a project forward. Weathering the storm. Mother Nature throws curveballs, deadlines shift, and unforeseen glitches pop up like mushrooms after a rain shower. That's where the project manager's resilience shines. They anticipate risks, create contingency plans B, C, and even D, and tackle problems head-on with the agility of a seasoned sailor navigating a stormy sea. It's about thinking ahead, identifying potential roadblocks, and having the flexibility to adapt when the unexpected becomes reality. Remember, every challenge overcome is a milestone reached, a testament to the manager's ability to keep the project afloat. Tech tools for titans. Embrace the digital revolution. Project management software is no longer a fringe benefit, it's a game changer. From scheduling apps to real-time communication platforms, technology streamlines workflows, boosts transparency, and keeps everyone on the same page, even across continents. Think of it as a digital command center, where data flows like electricity, powering informed decisions and optimizing every step of the construction process. BIM, Building Information Modeling, the crystal ball of construction. Imagine peering into the future of your project, seeing potential clashes before they occur, and visualizing the finished structure in stunning detail. That's the magic of BIM, a 3D modeling technology that transcends blueprints, creating a virtual twin of your building. Not just fancy graphics, BIM is a treasure trove of data, helping with clash detection, cost estimation, and even facility management long after the final brick is laid. Drones take flight. Ease in the ski for progress monitoring. Forget climbing precarious scaffolding for a bird's eye view. Drones are the new site supervisors, soaring overhead to capture high-resolution images and 3D models of the construction progress. This real-time data stream empowers managers to track deviations, identify potential delays, and make informed decisions based on accurate, up-to-date information. It's like having a tireless, eagle-eyed assistant constantly scanning the horizon for potential hurdles. Navigating the human landscape, communication conundrums. Construction sites are melting pots of diverse personalities, languages, and skill sets. Bridging these gaps and fostering effective communication is a constant challenge. The project manager must become a master communicator, ensuring everyone understands their roles, deadlines, and safety protocols. Clear instructions, active listening, and cultural sensitivity are the keys to keeping the team working in harmony. like instruments in a perfectly tuned orchestra. Safety first always. Construction is an inherently risky business. Ensuring the well-being of workers is not just an ethical imperative, it's a crucial project management responsibility. Implementing strict safety protocols, providing proper training, and fostering a culture of safety awareness are paramount. Remember, every injury prevented is not just a human cost saved, it's also a project kept on track and budget. The labor labyrinth. The construction industry faces a talent shortage, making skilled labor a precious commodity. Attracting and retaining top talent requires more than just competitive wages. Project managers must create a positive work environment, invest in training and development, and offer growth opportunities. Think of it as building a loyal workforce, brick by lolly-brick, ensuring a stable foundation for project success. Adapting to the evolving landscape. Green giants. The future of construction is green. Project managers are increasingly incorporating sustainable practices, from using recycled materials to optimizing energy efficiency. This not only minimizes environmental impact, but also reduces long-term operational costs. Think of it as a building for the future, leaving a legacy of eco-conscious structures that stand tall, not just in stature, but in sustainability. Innovation. Incubators. The construction industry is no stranger to innovation. From 3D printing to modular construction, new technologies are emerging that promise to revolutionize the way we build. Project managers, ever the forward thinkers, must stay abreast of these trends and consider their potential to improve efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness. Think of it as embracing the unknown, venturing into the frontiers of construction with an open mind and a thirst for progress. Community canvas. A construction project doesn't exist in a vacuum. It impacts the surrounding community, both during construction and long after. Effective project managers recognize this and actively engage with stakeholders, keeping them informed, addressing concerns, and minimizing disruption. It's about building bridges, not walls, fostering open communication and collaboration to ensure the project benefits everyone, not just the bottom line. The human touch, the power of persuasion. Construction projects are complex ecosystems, and disagreements are inevitable. The project manager then becomes a skilled negotiator, resolving conflicts fairly and finding win-win solutions. It's about understanding different perspectives, building trust, and fostering a collaborative environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Remember, a united team is a strong team, and a strong team conquers even the most complex challenges. Leading by example. A project manager isn't just a taskmaster, they're a leader. They inspire their team, motivate them to push through challenges, and celebrate their successes. It's about leading by example, demonstrating hard work, dedication, and a genuine passion for the project. Remember, a construction project management is a complex dance of planning, collaboration, and problem solving. It's a demanding role, but the rewards are monumental. From towering skyscrapers to cozy cottages, every structure tells a story of human ingenuity, and the project manager is the author, penning each chapter with meticulous care. So, the next time you admire a gleaming edifice, remember the invisible hand that guided its creation, the maestro behind the symphony of steel and stone. And if you're curious to delve deeper into the fascinating world of construction project management, hit that subscribe button. We'll be exploring more intricate details, industry trends, and expert insights in the episodes to come. Until then, keep dreaming big and building strong.